Here you go guys, a cheap, easy, healthy soba noodle stir fry that is absolutely delicious. Hey guys, Lennox here, let's do it. So we have a tons of vegetables here. Well, that's too much of an exaggeration, but you got it, it's gonna be very healthy. I'm showing you how to julienne the carrots by hand. It will be thicker compared to using a slicer, but purposely I think thicker is better for this stir fry. Some mushroom. I'm using baby Bella. You can use white or shiitake mushroom if you have an Asian store around. Naba cabbage is mostly used in Asian dishes, but it's very commonly sold everywhere. I got mine from Kroger. The leaves of Naba cabbage are buttery and thinner, so they cook faster compared to regular cabbage. They are so rich in nutrients and especially high in calcium and vitamin K, which is excellent for your bone health. If you can't find it, just use regular one. And that's it for our produce. For the chicken, you can also use chicken thighs for this recipe. For our yummy sauce, we just mix and set aside. Red pepper flakes is just an option for those who like some heat. Now cooking. Simple and straightforward. We'll try to slightly brown the mushrooms with yellow onion and carrots first. Just slightly brown, don't overcook it. We only need to stir occasionally so we can prepare the noodles or do some cleaning simultaneously. These fresh soba noodles I bought from Amazon. They are pretty good, thicker and better in texture compared to dry noodles. Plus, they are so much more convenient. We just put them straight to the stir fry. The sauce are in. We toss and mix until the sauce mostly absorbs. Definitely don't overcook. We don't want the sauce completely dry out. And that's it. Voila! Time to enjoy. By eyes only until you actually make it. This feeds 4 to 5 people, low to average calories, good amount of protein, lots of fiber, and plenty of vegetables, and it is excellent for meal prep. I love leftovers. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like more easy, healthy, affordable recipes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help out my small channel by sharing and liking this video. Thanks so much. You have a wonderful day, okay? Bye-bye.